Ever wondered what your rights are as a consumer? Let's break it down. Consumer rights are protections and entitlements granted to buyers of goods and services. These rights ensure fair trade, accurate information, and safety in the marketplace. Why do consumer rights matter? They empower you to make informed decisions. Knowing your rights helps you avoid scams and unfair practices. Let's explore some key consumer rights you should know. The right to safety ensures products will not harm you. The right to be informed means you get accurate and truthful information. The right to choose allows you to select from a variety of products and services. The right to be heard ensures your complaints are addressed. The right to redress allows you to receive a fair settlement of just claims. Challenges arise when these rights are not respected. Understanding your rights can help you navigate these challenges. Consumer advocacy groups can support you in protecting your rights. Empower yourself with knowledge. Know your rights as a consumer.